This is the Toyota Fortuner Legender Neo Drive 48V. It gets a 48 volt mild hybrid system, because of which it goes 43 kilometers more per full tank of fuel. Yes, it has become more efficient now. This car is priced at rupees 60.76 lakhs on road Mumbai. A 360-degree parking camera has been added now, but they have removed ventilated seats from here. It now gets multi-terrain select, which has 6 modes, but the rest of the car remains more or less the same as before. However, you get a 360-degree parking camera with multiple views, but in order to change these views, you don't do it from the 8-inch touchscreen. You have to actually do it from the button which is placed right here, so not very ergonomic. Wireless charger has been added to the regular Fortuner as well. Still, there is no sunroof in this car, and that's about it. Not much has changed. 204 PS of power, 500 Newton meters of torque. You get torque assist because of the 48 volt mild hybrid system. The battery is actually placed between the second and third row, and the DC to DC converter has been placed right below here. You're seated quite high up. Not very comfortable a car, not value for money, but very capable off-road, and obviously it's a Fortuner, so it has the Rutba!